Good morning, everybody. So Canopy just had earnings report and it was disappointing. Canopy growth Q4 sales slipped 13% sequentially to $108 million. Generated $399 million in fiscal 2020, up 76% over fiscal 2019. In connection to previous organization and record impairment and restructuring charge of $743 million, the majority of which are non-cash charges. Gross margin of negative 85 in Q4 fiscal 2020, excluding restructuring of other charges, activity adjusted gross margin of 42%. So if it wasn't for all the restructuring they had to do, they would have had a gross margin of 42%, which is not too bad. Net loss of $1.3 billion, adjusted EBITDA loss of $102 million for Q4. So they lost $102 million with the goodwill write down and everything else. They lost $1.3 billion, which is a lot of money, but that is all the goodwill write down, and the stock crash. I will be making a more dedicated video on Canopy Growth's earnings over the weekend, maybe depending on if people give me 100 thumbs up. So if people give me 100 thumbs up, I will, I'm definitely going to be listening to the earnings report. I'm definitely going to listen to what they have to say. And if you give me 100 thumbs up, I will be making a more dedicated video over the weekend on Canopy's Growth's earnings. If you don't, then maybe I won't. We'll see what happens with the thumbs up. But anyways, this morning Canopy is down 17.48. This is what I think is going to happen. It's going to crash, and then it's going to bounce back to around $18 or $18.50, and then it's going to sell off again. And that's what I think is going to happen this morning. Could be wrong. This is my own personal prediction. We'll see if that happens, because this is a typical crash with a dead cat bounce and then a fade off after that. But this is my prediction. Don't know if that'll happen. Maybe it'll crash and won't bounce and it'll just continue to go down. But I'm really thinking that this morning is going to crash, and it's going to be oversold, so it's going to be a dead cat bounce. So you could initially buy, not financial advice at all whatsoever for day traders. You could buy the initial drop, and then it's going to bounce, and then you could sell off around probably 18, maybe 18.50. And then it's gonna get faded from there. But again, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe scenario 3 happens. It goes all the way back to $21 or $20, $21.72. Instead of dead cat bouncing, it just goes all the way up because management says something positive in the earnings report, and the stock just bounces all the way back. But scenario 3 is probably not going to happen. Scenario 1 is probably going to be most likely. It's going to do a dead cat bounce, so we'll see. I do have some put options on it, which I'm up right now, so I'm glad I bet against Canopy. I had a Aurora stock, so I was figuring that Canopy is going to crash, so it's going to drag down Aurora, so I might as well bet against Canopy. And if Canopy does good, then Aurora does good, but Canopy didn't, and it dragged down the rest of the industry. Like Afria down 3.4%. I would be bearish on Afria. I would say Afria is going back down to around 3 something. Aurora is probably gonna go back down to around 13 US, 12 US dollars. Pretty sure on this, not 100%. Tilray is probably going to go around to $9. Quran is probably going to go down to around 6 US dollars, but we'll see. The market right now is red, and Donald Trump is coming out to talk about the whole China situation today that could either crash the market or make the market to go up. We'll see what Donald Trump has to say, but knowing him, he is going to say what the market needs to do. He's going to say what the market wants. So I think we're going to see a reversal on the day, and it'll turn green. But if it goes red, I think if Donald Trump says something stupid about China and it goes super red, then Canopy will go even further, but for now it's going to do a dead cat bounce. I think it's going to jump back to around 18 bucks when the market opens, but we will see. I will release this video before the market opens. Hopefully, if I can't, then I can't, but yeah. Anyways, that's what I think is going to happen for the market. GameStop this morning was up, but now it's not. I don't know. It was up 13 cents. Oh, I guess it's still up 10 cents. GameStop is a very attractive price point for me. May buy some more depending on how much it goes up or go down. If it goes down, I'll definitely think about buying more. If it goes up, then I'm not going to touch it. Nordic American Tanker up 8 cents after hours. Not too much to say about that. DHT Holdings up a penny after hours. Euronaut down 14 cents after today. Which is kind of strange because NOT is up. Nordic American Tanker is up 8 while DHT is up a penny. Euronaut is down 14 cents. Maybe because Euronaut didn't go down too much yesterday, and it's kind of just catching up on it. Scorpio Tankers is up 2 cents after hours. TK Tankers is up 20 cents after hours, before pre-market. VTIQ, this thing is being manipulated to the upside, but maybe there's a good time to short it or put option it. I have no idea, but I think that, I don't know, I just feel like it's overvalued, but that's my opinion. Tesla is up $3.22. Tyson Meat is down 87 cents. Beyond Meat today is up $1.43. I think this will get faded very quickly unless Beyond Meat gets some big news. But right now Beyond Meat is downtrending, so I'm expecting Beyond Meat to go down further. Goldman Sachs this morning is fading a little bit, down $3.47. To be honest, I'd probably be bearish on Goldman Sachs, but you never know. It's a bank. They could do anything. American Airlines, I wish I shorted this thing when it was 12 bucks. Now it's down to 10.57. Hertz equipment rental. Hertz is up a penny. Luckin Coffee is up this morning at 19 cents. Yeah, that's it. That's all I really have for this video today. I hope it's 10 minutes. No, it isn't. Let's look at AMD. What is AMD doing this morning? AMD up 46 cents. Not too much to say, but do you know that AMD CEO is the top paying CEO of the S&P 500? She's getting like $50+ million. It makes sense though, because she turned the company around, made the company from $2 all the way up to $50. That is pretty damn impressive in my opinion. So I think she deserves that reward. But that's, again, my opinion. AMD down $1. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA this morning is up $3.02. NVIDIA and AMD are both bearish right now. We look at the chart. Look, it's did the little death cross on the MACD. The MACD is also at the very top. I'm expecting Nvidia to fade off early in the morning, but again, this is my opinion. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.